Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to do our next chapter of moral science, that is punctuality. Now, what do you mean by punctuality? Punctuality is the most important tool to succeed. Okay, when you want to be successful, it's very important that you understand the importance of punctuality. Punctuality means to understand the value of time. Okay, that you have to do your work at time, like on a proper time. Punctuality is an important part of men's character, human beings character. Punctuality is great virtue to be followed. Now, as you know this thing, that without punctuality you can face many problems in your life. Okay, being a student, it's very necessary for you people to be punctual. Okay, so punctuality is an excellent habit. It means to be on time. Okay, to do all the work on time. Punctuality plays a very important part in our life. For example, for succeeding life, punctuality is very essential. So if you want to be successful, it's very important for you that your character should have the punctuality. Okay, so now we should form this habit from childhood. One day when Gandhi ji was attending his prayer meeting, someone stood up and said, Bapu, what a person should do first in order to rise to the top. Okay, so what happened here? So there is a story about Gandhiji here. There is a story here about Gandhiji. So what is happening here? One follower stood, there is a prayer meeting going on, and then one person stood up in the meeting and asked, what should I do so that I can reach top? What should be my first step to reach the top? Okay, so now Gandhiji replied, in my view, punctuality is the most important tool to rise to the top. So according to him, what is the most important thing to reach on the top? To be punctual, to be on time. A person who values his time is bound to move ahead of others. Okay, when the person values his time, then he will be always ahead with other people. From other people he will be ahead, means he will be at the top. Okay, because he is completing his work on time. We should be punctual in every sphere of life. So it's not about like when you have to do the homework, when you have to do the classwork, then you are punctual. No, you should be punctual in everything. Suppose you have to go somewhere, so you have to reach to a relative's house, so you should be punctual. If time is given 5 o'clock, you should reach at 5 o'clock. Okay, not before that, not after that. It has been rightly said, work while you work, play while you play. So when you are working, you should work. When you are playing, you should play. Okay, and that is the way to be happy and gay. So when you are happy and when you feel blessed, this is the way. So when you are suppose you are taking online classes, so a lot of people don't pay attention. Okay, a lot of students do not like to pay attention. So what's the use of taking the online classes? You are simply sitting over there, it's of no use. So it's that's why it is said that if you are working, just work. If you are playing, just play. Okay, don't merge two things. Do not merge all these things. Do not try to do a lot of work all together. It will not work, beta. It will not work. Okay, so now next is time is money. Okay, when you like if you know that when you will be doing business or something like that, even when you will be doing jobs. Okay, so time will be turned into money. If you will waste time, you will not be able to earn money. All great men were very punctual. Here is a story. So all the great men were very punctual. Once some people invited Gandhiji to address a public meeting on particular day. So there was some people arrived. There some people arrived, and they invited him. They invited Gandhiji to attend a public meeting. They used to what was a public meeting? Public meeting was when there was someone who is speaking and who is addressing all the problems. The people are discussing their problems and he is addressing it and trying to give them solution, and actually discussing about what we can do. Okay, so what happened, what happened in the past, when there was Gandhiji, and what it used to be happen, that people used to come to his house or at the ashram, or they used to invite him to the public meeting so that people can address to different society problems. So the organizer told Gandhiji that they would send a car for him. So they said that they will send a car for him. The waited for the car. The Gandhiji looked at his watch. The day came. Okay, so the organizer told them that yes, don't no problem. We will be arranging a vehicle for you. You can come in the car. I don't mind. Okay, so Gandhiji looked at his watch and the timing was given of 3:30 and waited for the car up to 3:30. He had to reach at the 4 o'clock. So he has to reach that venue, that place at 4 o'clock. But he waited for his car up to 3:30 p.m. And when the car did not arrive, he took a bicycle and reach the meeting place on time. Okay, so he did not wait till 4 o'clock so that he can reach. No, he just waited for 3:30. He thought that yes, after in half an hour I will be able to reach by bicycle. So he took his bicycle and ride it to that meeting place. Exactly at 4 o'clock, Gandhiji started his speech. So the timing was 4 o'clock and he started his speech at 4 o'clock only. The organizer sent a car around 4 p.m. So the organizers actually sent the car but at 4 o'clock, whereas while the timing of the meeting was 4 o'clock. When they found that Gandhiji had already left for the meeting place, they felt very ashamed because the meeting was arranged by them and they were not able to send the car on time. So they felt ashamed. So they found Gandhiji addressing the public. So I have told them, what do you mean by addressing here? When he used to give the speeches and he used to talk about public welfare, after the end of the meeting, they approached Gandhiji. They all come to the Gandhiji, apologized. They said, we are sorry Bapu, we were late by a few minutes. So they said that we were late by few minutes and we went to your ashram at 4 p.m. but we were told that you had already left. So what happened? They said that we actually went to your ashram at 4 o'clock, but they told us that you were not there. So we were extremely sorry that you had to come on the bicycle. So they said like, sorry, because we have invited and we have arranged this thing, but we were not able to send you the vehicle and we were late. So we were sorry. So you could have waited for us at the ashram. So they suggested that, why did you come to buy the bicycle? Why can't you wait? Why can't you wait for us at the ashram? Gandhiji smiled and said, we must respect time as each and every moment is valuable. So he smiled and said that we must respect. Okay, it's not about his timing, it's about other people timing also, those who want to listen to him. So if he comes at Gandhiji must have waited, so what will happen? This half an hour other people has to wait. So he said that no, we must respect time as each and every moment is valuable. We should utilize our time fully, we should not waste it. So try to keep pace with the clock. Okay, you should try to keep all the pace with the clock and always be punctual in future. Always try to be, you should actually, like, you should work according to the clock. Okay, if your work should be completed at 5 o'clock, it should be completed at 5 o'clock. Don't waste time. Do not keep your homework till, okay, lingering on. Do not do that. Okay, because if the work is of 15 minutes, just complete it in 15 minutes. If the work is of 20 minutes, just complete it in 20 minutes. Do not keep your books for whole day and doing all the time the work. Do not do that. Okay, so try to keep the pace with the clock and always be punctual in future. If we are not punctual, we not only harm ourselves but upset the plans of others also. So sometimes what happens, when you do not reach a place at a proper time, when you do not do your work at a proper time, so what happened? So what happened that other plans or other people plans also got disturbed and we can harm them. So develop the habit of being punctual. Okay, so this was the story of Gandhiji. Okay, in order to utilize our time, we must regularize our life. Okay, we should follow a timetable. That's why your parent tell you to make a timetable and follow that. By following a set timetable, if we value time, we are bound to improve and succeed. If we make a proper timetable, so what will happen? We will improve also and we will succeed also in life. It will give us an advantage over others. Okay, because our work will be completed on time, so obviously we will have an advantage. Who are not regular, those people who do not work regularly, or those people who linger on their work, those people who are not punctual and know that punctual, some people tell themselves that there is still time. Sometimes what happens, you meet this kind of people, they think that no need to do this work right now, we can do it afterwards. That's wrong. They don't know that the lost wealth may be recovered but time never returns. It means that when you lose wealth, when you lose money, it can be recovered. When you work hard, you will recover that money, but when you lose time, you will never get that time back. Okay, once gone, it's gone forever. So if your time is gone, okay, do not think that that time we should have worked hard. Okay, suppose there are online classes, you people have lot of time at home, so you can utilize your work properly. There are lot of things that you can do right now, so you should not wait for others. You should not wait to opening of the schools. You should start working on yourself. George Washington was the first president of the United States of America. Who was George Washington? George Washington was the first president of United States of America. His secretary used to come late. So there was a secretary. He used to have a secretary and he used to come late in the office. One day he was late as usual. It was his habit to come late in the office. So one day again he came late. George Washington called him and said, how many times I have told you not to be late, but you never bother. He said, why don't you come to the office on time? I have told you many times that you have to come on in my office at time, and but you do not care. You never bother means you do not care. Can't you come on time? The secretary replied, I am sorry, sir, for being late today because my watch is too slow. So he just gave an excuse that his watch is too slow, that's why he cannot come on time. So sharp came to reply of George. So George replied him sharply, means angrily you can say, get a new watch or I shall get a new secretary. So he did not listen to his excuse. He said, either you get a new watch because your watch is too slow, or I will get the new secretary, I will replace you. Now the next story is about Napoleon was a French emperor and the greatest general of his time. So you must have heard the name of Napoleon. He was a French emperor. Emperor are those people, or you can say kings of king. Okay, and the greatest general. General means someone who fought in the war, that is. And Grouchy was one of his subordinates. There was some, suppose there you can say secretaries or assistants you can say, or someone who supports him. Grouchy was his name. So he was very sincere, brave and punctual. He was very sincere, means he used to fought very bravely and he was very punctual. Only once in his lifetime he reached late in the battlefield. So what happened? Only once he was not able to reach the battlefield, the war place on time, and the battlefield was of Waterloo, and lost the battle. So on that time Napoleon lost the battle, and because his subordinate, this Grouchy, did not come to the war field on time. So you can see that punctuality is so important, that someone can lose a war because of that thing, or someone can lose his job because of this, if he or she does not follow the timing. Someone can be felt ashamed for not following the time. Okay, so you should understand the importance of time, and you people have a lot of time at home right now. So please try to use the time properly. Make a timetable and follow that timetable. Do not be lazy. Okay, and be active at home. Okay, you give proper time for your studies, give proper time for playing, do everything, but do not linger on your things. Okay, so now we will be discussing our question answers in class, and this exercises also. Okay, so students, bye bye, have a good day.